products. So this is what I got. Oh, yeah. This is awesome. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy CJ back with another video, and today I'm gonna do a unboxing of the deal I got from Amazon Prime. So let's see what's in this baby. Now I'm going to go over everything that's in here. I'm going to explain a little bit about the products that I got. So let's see what's inside. So excited because I love doing like stuff to my car, cleaning my car. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Awesome, 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 awesome. All right, so excited. All right, so this is from chemicalguys. Now, I found this company probably almost two years ago now, I believe. And they're a really good company. Like, I love their stuff. So I bought a kit of theirs, and it wasn't bad. So I'll throw a link up in the description. You guys can check it out. So first off, this is going to be handy. So this is a microfiber hand. It's for your hand, so you can get in the nooks and crannies of your car and scrub it better without scratching. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait to try this out. That's going to be awesome. All right, now more. These are microfiber towels. So more of those. I think there's 3 in those. So key thing about washing and drying your car is microfiber towels. Don't use a regular towel because it will scratch the paint and put swirls in it. Always use a microfiber towel, and when you wax especially, it will come out amazing, especially if you do it yourself. All right, so this one is another microfiber towel, but this one's for glass. This is like a little thinner, but a little bit, I wouldn't say rough, but it's a little rough for like glass. It's just for your glass. So you're doing your windshields, your windows, even like your dashboards. Something like this, microfiber also in this, but a different type of microfiber. So it doesn't still scratch it, but still gets deep into the nooks and crannies. Everything is microfiber. All right, now here come the products. So this is what I got. Oh, yeah, let's do this box. All right, now I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting to get a bucket too for so long. That actually fits my microfiber scrubber. So, all right, so this is a bucket. Now, what comes with the bucket is this. So if you guys don't know what this is, so this you put it at the bottom of your bucket. Now this keeps all the dirt and all that crap on the bottom of the water. So see the little, it's like a quarter of an inch. So this keeps actually the dirt on the bottom end of the bucket and keeps the clean water above it. Really, really awesome idea to do this. I've never tried this yet, so I've kind of done it with my car with dirty water when I'm just dunking it in the bucket and doing that way. So this is, oh, I can't wait to use this. All right, now let's get to the other products. So excited, so excited. I've never been more excited because this is my first kit that I've ever bought. All right, so, oh, this is cool. I never had this either. So this baby right here, oh, let's feel it. Ooh, it's like a microfiber brush, almost soft. So this is for your rims and tires. So what goes with this is, let's see if I can find the product. It's here somewhere. Here it is. All right, so let's put this to the side right there. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. All right, so this is Diablo. So you wash your tires with this. Now this gets in deep into the rubber and really gets the dirt and all the crap that's in your tires from the road, even UV rays, like the fading of it. So this is gonna deep clean that. Now, you spray this on, and then you scrub it with this. Now you gotta scrub it good to really get the all the stuff out of the tires. I'm excited to use. I've been actually wanting to get this for so long, and a brush. I'm so happy I got this kit. I'm really excited. All right, so let's put this there. Let's place that baby right there. All right, what's next? What's next? Oh, this is the okay. So this is an applicator, I believe, for your tires. So you put the product on here. The I have, what do I have? I have tire kick, I believe. So spray a little on there or dab it, and then you put it on and you work it into the tire. So that's really good for applying stuff to the tires. So I'm gonna use that. All right, what's next? All right, so this is actually really cool to have on handy. Speed wipe. So what this is, so say like it's been like a couple days and your car, you got like some pollen on it or something like that. So this is really awesome. So this is basically just like it's just basically like a clean wipe real quick. So you spray this on and just use your microfiber towel, and it gives it a nice shine again. It gets rid of everything. So this is gonna work well with like the ceramic sprays. So this is gonna work awesome, because I always OCD about like my car being shiny all the time, and I have a pearl white car, so it collects the pollen. You can see like the yellow shit on it, and I fucking hate it. So if I get too annoyed with the pollen, I'm gonna go with this baby to clean it off real quick. All right, so we got that one. Let's see what we got next. All right, so this one I haven't used yet. I haven't used this either. All this. This is all newer stuff that I'm going to use. So this is for silk shine protectant. So this is going to be for tires, vinyl, more stuff that gets more like beading a little bit. So you spray this on and rub it on, still with a microfiber towel, and then you have another one, or flip it and dry it off also. To it'll give it a nice like fresh, almost like you just bought it look. So that's gonna be really nice if you're looking for someone to like finish it off, like even the tires, and protect it more. This is almost like a fine touch. So you put like your other sprays on, like the vinyl or anything like that. This is gonna finish that off and protect it also. So like dirt and stuff will just go to the side of it and won't damage it more. All right. So this right here, this is called the CG. So this is just the glass cleaner. I have kind of two other glass cleaners already, but this one is like the higher end of the glass cleaners. So this actually will just rub in very well and give actually the glass a super shine. So that one's awesome to use. And then what else I got? Oh, so I have this already. So this is the Honeydew Snow Foam. So this actually, so all right, I gotta show you what goes with this, and then I will show you the other part. This one's this is awesome. All right, this love it. So this is the I had a a foam gun before. It was the step down from this one. So this is the scale up foam blaster. So you put this with some water inside of this. So what this does, it foams the Honeydew Snow foam. So when it suds on the car, it's going to actually clean the car with the suds. So you're not even touching it yet. You're just foaming it, and then those suds are actually cleaning your car. I usually wait only like a few minutes to really just let it sink in and really do its job and get the dirt out. and then I'll go in and scrub it, everything. I'll do my microfiber stuff, do all that, and then I'll actually go over again with the suds and let it sit for a second, and then I wash it off. So this thing is just sick. All right, I'm running out of room to place stuff, so I'm gonna place this here. All right, so this is kind of the bread and butter of stuff. So this is the butter wet wax. All right, so this is the wax that you're gonna use. I haven't used this particular wax yet, the butter wax, but this one you have to work in a little bit more. This is gonna give it a wet shine. I also have a ceramic, their new ceramic spray coating. So what you do is you put the ceramic on first. This is what I'm taking of it. You put the ceramic on first. And you guys can comment and stuff below if I'm saying stuff wrong, so don't quote me on it. But what I'm getting from and learning from it. So you put the ceramic coat on, so what the ceramic does is actually bond with the paint and actually brightens the paint and then protects the paint. So then you put your wax on, and this is just another layer basically of protectant, but also giving it a really deep shine. And the ceramic and the wax are gonna give it a huge shine, and then actually the protectant from both of those are going to keep the dirt off, keep the pollen off, keep the UVs from the sun fading your paint. So that is awesome. All right, so this is everything. So microfiber stuff, all of this stuff. So I'm gonna put the link up in the description, and you guys can check it out. This is like, I'm not sponsoring anything. I bought this myself because I'm a car enthusiast and I love detailing my own car. So this stuff is great. Check it out. I can't wait to use all this. I'm super excited about all of this, and like a little kid in a candy shop that just wants to get going. All right, guys, till next time, make sure you like and subscribe, comment below, just tell me what you guys want me to do videos on, and we'll catch you on the next video.